Hello guys, I just got this email from DJI this morning and I finally what's going on here and I checked it and there's actually an Iron Man edition for the Tello. And I was just looking around and I look at the spec and I look at the accessories. I mean everything's about the same as the original Tello drone. But anyway, I'm just looking around and it seems everything looks the same. So I was kept messing around with the app and I noticed something that this edition Iron Man is only designed for the Iron Man edition. So if you buy this drone, you can only use the Iron Man app. I don't think you can use it for the Tello because I tried it and it did not work. But there's a trick to it. I kept messing around with it and look at what I found. So I think I actually hacked it. So you guys can go ahead and check it out. The more you play around with it, you can get into the app and I can see exactly what's the restore. Give me a second. There you go. You see that? All right, let's go back. I got it on. There you go. You see that, guys? I'm on the app. You just play around with it. You finally get into the app. I can turn off the motor. I can go up. Okay. It's active. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go here. Okay, I'm gonna go to settings and then I'm gonna go see if I can do the former. Oh, I can't get into the former update. But like I said, you can still get in maybe because it's still early. But everything is the same. I mean, nothing really changes. See, got in. Okay, let me get out of there. I got back out to the app. Let's see. See? Now I got it on. It's crazy, man. I'm using a Tello. I'm not even using Iron Man. You still got up and away. You got all the video thing going here. I mean, everything is the same. But on this app, I think you're only allowed to use the Iron Man Edition Tello. But if you keep playing around with the app, you can actually get in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and land. It's landing. Okay, what else got in there? All right, let's go. I mean, everything is the same, guys. So everything is pretty much the same. You got all the flight modes and everything. Let's go here. All right, let's go ahead. What's all about? I don't know what else they're gonna add on this. Okay, I got on. All right. This is very interesting. So just play around with the app. You can get into the app. So again, I'm playing it around. You can see here. And I'm gonna see if I can do flips. Why am I showing this one right here? All right, let me go ahead and do. You know what? This one right here is simple. I'm just gonna do a quick 360. So all the flight mode works. You guys can see I'm just doing a 360 here. Okay, that's enough. So all the apps works. All right, let's go ahead and let me see if I can do one flip. Let me do okay, let me go ahead and do a quick flip. Nope, I can still do flips. All right. So all the flips works if you use the app. Let me get out of there. Okay, I'm out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and go back. Yeah, so I think this drone is not even out yet. I just saw it in the DJI announcement on the, I call this on the website. So DJI is already selling this online, but I don't think it's even out yet. But see, once you get back to the app, it will not let you. See, it will not. Okay? But if you keep playing around with the app, if you keep going like this, it will eventually turn on. Anyway, guys, that's all I did to make it work. So I don't know if DJI gonna include this on the next firmware update, so we can all go to this Iron Man app. But it seems pretty cool, pretty interesting. They got some cool sound effects to it. How you call this? I think they're selling this for $129, the Iron Man edition. But like I said, we already have our Tello, and I think DJI just throw in a firmware update. But if it's not, just keep messing around with the app, and you can have a good time and play around, see what it's all about, and go from here. And that's what I did. So I just keep going back and forth, and I eventually got back in there. But anyway, I just want to say thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And again, thank you.